Welcome back, family. We back. This is not the Mr.ThinkSmart show. It's not the process. You've seen me on those. This is ThinkSmart Enterprises and Reach for Life Wellness and Development merging together. We was already one company. Same two people was doing it. They didn't know that. Now they know. You've never seen my business partner, Roy J. Harris. Roy J. Harris. This is him. If y'all don't ever see him, y'all don't even hear him talk. He gonna talk today. But when we're here right here in St. Louis. We're launching our first initiative. Well, actually, it's the second coming of it. Because the first time, you're gonna explain that. This is the second part of it. Think Smart and Read. This is our national campaign for literacy awareness. I'm gonna let Roy explain a little bit about it.
All right, so the Think Smart and Read campaign is a very basic campaign. It's just a reading literacy campaign where we want to go through St. Louis and get a lot of influential people, and we want to put those images on posters. And we want to post those pictures throughout elementary schools, libraries, anywhere where you get a lot of traffic. And we believe that if you have influential people with those images and youth being able to see those images, it's going to encourage them to want to read. So we want to lead up to getting into the schools and actually doing workshops where we know we go in and we're trying to encourage kids to, reading is cool. We also think that, it's not a coincidence that, some of the things that are going to build you up aren't seen as fun. But, some of those things that are discouraging and destructive, that's what we getting all our energy at. So we just redirecting that negative energy and we just trying to put it back into reading where, make it cool,
Make it a Think Smart gear thing. It's a Think Smart thing. It is. So basically what we're saying is reading is still fundamental. So what we're going to do is we're going to get back to our program because we have a launch to complete, but we thank you. And always, I salute the divinity in you, and we will see you next time right here with Think Smart and Reach for Life Wellness and Development.